Hi, hello, assalamu alaikum viewers. Namaste. I hope you all are doing good. Welcome to my kitchen and thanks for watching and liking my videos. Today I'm making arzouq, that is another form of traditional Hunzai bread that we will fry. When we will make them, we will deep fry them inside hot oil. And the ingredients for that will be all-purpose flour or wheat flour. You can take the ratio according to your taste or health benefits. And salt according to your taste, dry yeast, milk, eggs, and oil. So what I have done so far is I have taken hot water and I have added some dry yeast and I have put one teaspoon of sugar into it and let it be there for 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes it has risen up. So my yeast is ready. Now I will add some oil. You can take vegetable oil, canola oil, olive oil, avocado oil, whichever you like. Then I will put salt according to my taste, and then 2 eggs into it. Then I will mix them. Now I will add the flour. This is normal wheat flour. I will take 1 cup of wheat flour and 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Now I will mix all these things with my hand. Now I will add some milk. I have to knead a very tough dough, so I will not add milk altogether. I will wait and see and keep on adding it according to the need of the dough. Some more milk. So I have used all 1 glass of milk. My dough is almost ready finally, after kneading it for 7 minutes, I guess. But I have to knead it for more 3 to 5 minutes to make it a good dough. I think I have burned few calories while kneading this dough. I will apply a thin layer of oil and will cover the lid and let it rise and we'll see if it will rise in 45 minutes or 1 hour. Then we will do all the process of arzouq making. My dough is ready now. So I think I have burned a lot of calories while kneading this dough. Now I will apply a thin layer of oil over it and then I will seal it, or I can cover the lid till it will rise up. Sometimes it takes 45 minutes and sometimes in an hour it will rise up. And then I will knead it for 2 more minutes and then cover it, then wait for next 15 minutes, and then I will start the process of arzouq making. Wow, dough is ready. It's been an hour now. I will open the lid and we'll see. Yes, dough is ready. I will knead it again. Yeah. For 2 minutes, and I will let it rest for 15 more minutes, and then we will make arzouq. And now to make arzouq, I need this board with rolling pin and some oil if I need. So let's make the balls out of this dough. Good job. Yes, you're almost there. Good job.
First, you roll it and make it nice and long.
Long, yeah. Then
you fold sides so they become like this.
very good.
And then you take your fork and squeeze.
Slowly, yeah. I think let me do it for you. You just do like that, okay? Good job. Wow, Izan, it's wonderful.
And then you take these sides and fold it again.
No.
Oh.
No. That's it. Oh my God, I'm super impressed. Very good.
And then you roll it more.
No.
This dough ball.
Mm-hmm.
And we'll flatten it on this arzouq board.
Good job. Then
So I'm going to flatten it.
are you folding it, Isa?
Yes.
Good job. Wow, good job. Excellent. Mm-hmm. Let me help you. Mm-hmm. Okay. We'll do it like this then, so that when it will go into oil, it will not open from here.
Yeah.
Good job, Isa. Very good. Are you happy?
Yes.
Yes. Good job.